Hey everybody, welcome back to Pete's Caustic Cycle, and today we're continuing work on this motor out of the Kawasaki S2 350. So as you saw in the last video, I got it partially disassembled and I've been waiting on parts to come in from Japan and a couple other sources that I use. I've got pretty well everything I need in. So that includes new gasket kit, clutch fibers, new pistons, new crank seals. So at this point I'm going to continue the disassembly, and then I will throw all the new parts on, button it all together, and get this thing fresh as the daisy, ready to go for when the frame is back from paint. So despite it being almost a year since the last update, we haven't been sitting still on the project. As you can see, we've got the nice rolling chassis assembled, everything has been painted, all the original hardware has been zinc plated, and we've already began the slow process of final assembly. And it's been a little bit of a painstaking process because we're cross-referencing all of the hardware with the original parts manuals to try to ensure that the bike is put together as accurately as possible without going completely insane pulling our hair out. So enough of me blabbing on about this and that. Let's get back to the build. Well, it might have taken a year to come to this point, but I'm pretty happy. We've got the complete rolling chassis together, the motor back in the frame. So what's next is to gather all the electrical components, lay them out. So that includes the main harness, the gauges, the hand controls, the headlight signals, etc., and hopefully get spark and power to this bike in the next video. So as always guys, thanks again for tuning in, and please ride safe.